Using positive and negative space to draw is very helpful in giving you a different perspective on what shapes and outlines and details are actually on your reference picture. So looking at this handout, everything in black here is the positive space. The negative space is the white in the background. So I'm going to start with this corner here, for example, with the flower as we're drawing this in the space to the right. And I'm looking at the shape that this white area here makes. And then I'm going to be drawing this shape on the right. So I'm going to start at the top where it extends out and down. So there is my starting shape here. So the whole time, again, I'm just looking at the shape that this white area is making. So the next shape that I'm looking at comes up and then out, and I'm just going to extend that. So again, another kind of triangular shape here, and then this just extends out. And then I'm going to look at this shape that I'm going to get started with at the top. And at this point, I'm kind of looking at it like blind contour or modified contour drawing, where I am looking at the different variation in line and detail, and I'm trying to mainly look still at my reference picture. Then I'm going to come up and fill in this space as well. Now I'm just continuing to look at the shapes, those smaller triangles, this larger rectangle that extends down, and filling in and refining all of the contour or the outline of the flower. Moving down to the darts next, same thing, I'm just looking at that white space in between. When you get to final projects, you don't necessarily have to look at the negative space the entire time. This is just a tool to use to help gain a different perspective. So you're bouncing back and forth between positive and negative space.